Need to extend your network to that hard-to-reach area like your basement home theater or upstairs office? It can be a real challenge considering your Wi-Fi signal can lose its strength as it passes through walls and floors, or due to interference from other devices, creating dead spots in your home. Although a wired network is fast, it is a hassle as you need to drill holes and run cables. D-Link PowerLine gives you the best of both worlds, a connection that's as fast and reliable as Ethernet without running any additional wires. PowerLine technology uses your home's existing electrical wiring to transfer data across your network, delivering reliable and blazing fast network speeds to virtually any power outlet in your home. Setting up a PowerLine network is simple. Just plug one adapter into any power outlet in your home and connect it to your router. Then, wherever you need another network connection, plug a second adapter into an outlet and connect your device to it, instantly creating a strong and secure network. PowerLine is ideal for connecting high-bandwidth devices to your network, like smart TVs and game consoles. And to expand your network further, D-Link offers a whole family of PowerLine solutions. Just plug in the adapter that meets your needs. Getting wall-to-wall coverage is that easy.